कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरते परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री राम, सीतारामभ्यं नमः, राधा कृष्णाय नमः, सर्वदेवाय नमो नमः। As you all know, I am Jagannath Panda discussing the Gita, and in today's video I am going to deliver Sankhya Yoga second chapter from the sloka number 51 to the last, maybe it's 72. So my dear viewers, please don't ignore this video. This is a beautiful topic and God's conversation. You don't have to take away from you, because whenever you are just starting to listen the God's voice, just you try to end that in a video. So it's not a very long video, it's a very short video, around 10-12 minutes. So please focus on these things. You will listen something which is very useful for your life and for your family bonding, everything. So let's come and let's dive into this sloka number 51. कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्ध विनिर्मुक्तः पदं गच्छन्ति नामयम्. For wise men possessing equipoised mind, renouncing the fruit of action and freed from the cycles of work, attain the blissful supreme state. जदाते मोह कलिलं बुद्धिर्वती तरिष्यति तदा गन्तसि निर्वेदं श्रोतव्यस्य श्रुतस्य च. When your mind will have fully crossed the mire of delusion, you will then grow indifferent to the enjoyments of this world and the next that have been heard of, as well as to those that are yet to be heard of. Srutri vipratiparnate yada sthāsyati nischala samadhavachala buddhi tada yogamavapasyasi. When our intellect, confused by hearing conflicting statements, will rest steady and undistracted in contemplation of God, you will then attain yoga, that is everlasting union with God. Yoga is the everlasting union with God or Paramatma, because we all have the Atma, and if we want to take that action, so we will think in the godly things, then we can realize the God's existence in this universe and we can attain enlightenment. Arjuna Vacha Sthita pragyasya ka bhasa samadhiptasya kesava sitaddi king prabhaseta kimasita vrajet king. Arjuna is asking some question to Lord Krishna. Arjuna said, Krishna, what are the characteristics of a God-realized soul? Stable of mind and established in samadhi, perfect tranquility of mind. How does the man of stable mind speak? How does he sit? How does he walk? Then Lord Krishna trying to explain these things of a God-realized soul. Shri Bhagavan Uvach Prajahati jada kamanva swarthartham manogatan atmanyevatmana tushtaha sthita prajna tadochyate. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjun, when one thoroughly casts off all cravings of the mind and is satisfied in the self through the joy of the self, he is then called stable of mind. Dukhyasva vignamana sugesu vigata spruha vitaraga vayakrodha sitaddi muniruchyate. God said, the sage whose mind remains unperturbed amid sorrows, whose thirst for pleasures has altogether disappeared, and who is free from passion, fear and anger, is called stable of mind. Jah sarvatra navisneha tatat prapya subhasubhang nabhinandati nadusti tasya prajna pratisthita He who is not attached to anyone or anything, and meeting with good and evil, neither rejoices nor recoils. His mind is stable. Okay. Jada saharati chayang kurmunganiva sarvasah indriyanindriyarthebhya tasya prajna pratisthita. When like a tortoise that draws in its limbs from all directions, he withdraws all his senses from the sense objects, his mind becomes fully steady. Visaya vinivartante niraharasya dehinah रसावर्ज रसोप्यस्यं परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते. Sense objects turn away from him, who does not enjoy them with his senses, but the taste for them persists. This release also disappears in the case of the man of stable mind when he realizes the Supreme. Jatato hyapi kunteya purusasya vipastitah Indriyani pramathini haranti prasavang manah. Turbulent by nature, the senses even of a wise man who is practicing self-control forcibly carry away his mind, Arjuna. Tani sarvani sayamya yukta asitamatparah basehi jastindriyani tasya prajna pratishthitam. Therefore, having controlled all the senses and concentrating his mind, he should sit for meditation, devoting himself heart and soul to me. For he whose senses are under his control is known to have a stable mind. Jayato visayan punsah sangastesu pajayate sangafta jayate kamaha kamakrodho vijayate. The man dwelling on same objects develops attachment for them. From attachment springs of desire, and from desire ensues anger. Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammoha smriti vibramah, smriti vansada buddhinaso, buddhinasat pranasyati. From anger arises delusion, from delusion confusion of memory, from confusion of memory loss of reason, and from loss of reason one goes to complete ruin. Ragadvesa vyuktestu visayanindriyascharan atmavasyir vidheyatma prasadam adhigacchati. But the self-control sadhana, while enjoying the various sense objects through his senses, which are disciplined and free from likes and dislikes, attain placidity of mind. Prasade sarvadukhanang hanirasyopadayate prasanna chetaso hyasu buddhi parjavatisthate. With the attainment of such placidity of mind, all his sorrows come to an end, and the intellect of such person of tranquil mind, soon withdrawing itself from all sides, becomes firmly established in God. Nasti buddhi rajuktasya nacha yuktasya bhavana nacha bhavavayata santirasantasya kuta kukang. He who has not controlled his mind and senses can have no determinate intellect nor contemplation. Without contemplation, he can have no peace. And how can there be happiness for one lacking peace of mind? Indriyanang hi charatang janmano vidiyate tadasya harati pragyang vayor narbam ivambasi. As the wind carries away a boat upon the waters, even so of the senses moving among sense objects, the one to whom the mind is attached takes away his discrimination. Tasmadyasya mahabaho nigruhitani sarvasah indriyanindriyarthebhya tasya prajna pratisthita. Therefore, Arjuna, he whose senses are completely restrained from their objects is said to have a stable mind. Jani sarva bhutanang tasyang jagarti sanyami jasyang jagruti bhutani sani sa pasyato munehe. That who is nigh to all beings in that case, of divine knowledge and supreme bliss, the God realized yogi keeps awake, and that the ever-changing transient worldly happiness in which all beings keep awake is night to the seer. आपूर्यमाणमचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापविशन्ति यद्दत् तद्दत् कामाजं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे सशान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी. As the waters of different rivers enter the ocean, which though full of all sides remain undisturbed, likewise he in whom all enjoyments merge themselves without causing disturbance attains peace. Not he who hankers after such enjoyments. Vihaya kamanya swarganyo masterati nispruha nirmamo nirahankaraha sasanti madhigacchati. He who has given up all desires and moves free from attachment, egoism and thirst for enjoyment attains peace. Esa brahmi sthiti partha nainang prapya vimuhyati. स्थित्वा स्यामंत कालेपि ब्रह्म निर्वाणमृच्छति. Arjun, such is the state of the God, realized soul. Having reached this state, he overcomes delusion, and established in this state, even at the last moment, he attains Brahmic bliss. ओम तस्सदीति श्रीमद् भगवद गीता उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्म विद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्ण अर्जुन संवादे सांख्य योग नाम द्वितीयोऽध्यायः. Thus, in the Upanishads sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjun, ends the second chapter entitled Sankhya Yoga, the yoga of knowledge. So dear viewers, thank you for watching this video, and I am so grateful to all of you. You like my video, you subscribe my video. You are one of the great trustworthy person of this universe, and my well wisher. Thank you so much. So lastly, I am just telling something. I am a certified pranic healer, mind coach, life coach, and as well as yoga instructor. You can speak as yoga guru, and in this way I am just trying to change little bit in this universe, and somehow I want to spread something good things in society which takes you towards the God, towards the enlightenment, and the real desire of human life will fulfill. So my dear friends, my dear philosopher, my dear guides, and my dear elder persons and younger persons, all are my dear brothers and sisters. So please be calm and cool, and listen this video. After that, give your comment. Whatever I am making mistakes, I want to rectify it, because I am not so knowledgeous that I have lots of knowledge. I have little knowledge, and I want to share this little knowledge in front of you. And I know those are watching my videos, those are very great personalities. So once again, thank you all, and I am praying to God. May God bless you all in a spiritual way, and you and your family live in a blissful way, in a peaceful way. Thank you so much. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santo niramaya, sarve vadaani paschyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet.